Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your hacked Roblox account with no email and phone number. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So for you to access your account after being hacked, or if you forgot your email address or password, then all you have to do is go to the website, which is roblox.com mainly. And then from here, once you go to roblox.com and it shows you the sign in page, all you have to do is go /forward and then click on support. So once you go to www.roblox.com/support, click on enter and you'll be greeted with this page. Now from here you're going to put whatever dates of your birth. So for example, try to make it as accurate as possible so that the verification can be easier. Once you do that, you're going to write whatever username you had and then your first name, your email address, and make sure that you confirm the same email address as you are. And then from here, the issue date. So I'm going to write whatever issue for which device you have. So let's say you're using your computer, and then type of help categories. As you can see, account hacked or can't log in. So click on that, and then help subcategory. You can say account hacked, forgot password, or anything. So click on account hacked. Now, if you do that, then these will help you. My account was hacked. What do? Keep your account safe and account session protection. These you can write them later. Now, please describe your issue. You're going to write the following. Hello. My account got hacked and the hacker changed the password and email for login. My username is, and then you write whatever username you are and whatever hashtag it has or anything, and then I would be able to provide any necessary details to help regain my account, such as history, login, sessions, ID, and previous transactions. And then at the end, just say, I hope can be helped. Yours sincerely, and then whatever your name is, and that's it. And once you provide everything, you click on continue and they should reach out back to you soon. I will leave this paragraph in the comment section so that you can copy and paste it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.